Hello everyone. In previous module we have completed our chapter number 3. Now today is the time to do the activity of that chapter, coordinate geometry. Now first of all you have to look at the instruction properly. The first point is do the given activity in the practical file. You have to do the activity in the practical file. Second point, do the given question on graph page and paste it in the file. You have to draw the figure on the graph page and paste it in the practical file. Now third point is use separate graph for each part of the question. You have to use the separate part for each part of the question. Means here we have three parts of question number 1, two parts question number 2 and two parts of question number 3. So 3 plus 1 and plus 2 is 6. So total 6 graphs should be there in your practical file. Now then part number 4, color the figure formed by joining the points. When you will join the points, then you will find a figure. So you have to draw, you have to color that figure. Now next point is write the questions and their answers on the lining page. Question you have to write on the lining page, and if any answer is there, the answer also you have to write on the lining page, or you can write in the figure also the name of the figure. Then नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज़ द ग्राफ शुड बी इन फ्रंट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. जहाँ पे आपने क्वेश्चन लिखा है उसी के सामने उसका ग्राफ मिलना चाहिए. ये नहीं कि क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट पेज पे है और ग्राफ आपका नेक्स्ट पेज पर है. Then next point is one part is done for you below. Do all the parts same as example given. I have done one part in your PDF. I have drawn one part, so you can see that part and draw all the graph similar to that. Now next point, the most important, upload your activity by Thursday, that is 23rd July. So by Thursday you have to upload your activity so that you can get the marks. Now come to the activity. Question number 1, plot the following point in the Cartesian plane and name the figure formed. You have to plot the points on the Cartesian plane and then you have to join the points. Means point A will join to B and B to C and C to D. Then you will get a figure. So you have to name that figure कि it is parallelogram or it is trapezium, it is rhombus, it is square, or it can be rectangle also. So you have to name that figure and color the figure properly. Now one part number C. Question number 1, part number C, I have done for you. You can see here this one. Now our question is part number C, point A is 1 and 4.5, point B is -1 and 0, point C is 1 and -4.5 and point D is 3, 0. So first of all you have to draw the axis. Here you will draw x-axis and y-axis. The horizontal line, this one is x-axis, here x dash, in between 0 origin, upper side y-axis and below side y dash, means negative y-axis. Then you have to write the numbers. Positive numbers on the right hand side, negative numbers on the left hand side, positive numbers on upper side, negative numbers on below side. Here you will write -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, etc. Now then you will plot the point. Now point A is 1 and 4.5. So 1 and 4.5 you will get here. Here you have on the x-axis 1 and 4.5 will be here between 4 and 5 here. So this is your point A, 1 and 4.5. Then point B is -1 and 0, so -1 here and 0 will be here only, so this one is your point B. Then point C, 1 and -4.5, so 1 positive 1 on the right hand side on the positive x-axis and -4.5 will be between -4 and -5 here. So this is your point C, and then point D is 3 and 0. So positive 3 on the x-axis and 0 will be remain here only. So this is your point D. Then after plotting the point, you will join the points and join the points properly. Point A will be joined by point B, then B to point C, C to point D, and again D to point A. Then you will get a figure. So this figure is rhombus. As you can see, this is a rhombus. So I have written the answer below. Figure formed is rhombus, and you can write the name of the figure here also, rhombus. And on the lining page also you have to write the answer. Now question number 2 is 3 vertices of a square are 1 0 4 0 4 3. Plot these points and find the coordinates of the fourth vertex D. So for this, first of all you have to draw the Cartesian plane and then plot these points A, B and C. So when you will join these 3 points A, B, C, then you will get half figure. And you have to find out point D to make a square. So I am showing you how you will do this on the Cartesian plane. First of all, you will draw the axis, x-axis and y-axis, and then write the numbers. After that you will plot the points. Our point A is 1 0. Positive 1 and 0 you will get here A, and you have to write the coordinates also 1 0. Then B is 4 0. So 4 0 you will get here positive 4 and 0. This will be your point B. Write the coordinates also 4 0. Then point C is 4 3. So positive 4 and positive 3 you will get here. This will be your point C, 4 and 3. Then join these points A to B and B to C. Now we have to make an square. My line is not proper and you will draw the line with the scale. Now we have to make an square, so we will go left hand side here. Till here you have to go and just see आपका जो point A है, इससे आप line को जब ऊपर ले जाओगे then you will get a square. So this will be your point D and the coordinate of this point will be 1 and 3. 1 and 3 क्योंकि x एक्सिस पे 1 है और y एक्सिस पे ये 3 तक गया तो 1 and 3. So like this you will get the square and you will get the point D and coordinates of point D. Write the answer on the lining page also. Now your question number 3 is, question number 3, plot the following points and state whether they are collinear or not. You have 3 points in part A, B and C. So first of all you have to plot the point and after that join these points A to B and B to C and find out कि these points collinear or non-collinear. Collinear means the points lie on the given points lie on the same line or not. If they lie on the same line, 3 or more points lie on the same line, then they are collinear. And if they do not lie on the same line, so they are non-collinear, 3 or more points. So I am showing you part number A. Part number B you will do yourself. Now part number A, I am showing you here -1 and 2. -1 on x-axis is here and 2 positive 2. So here is our point A, -1 and 2. Then our B point is 2 0. Positive 2 and 0. तो positive 2 और 0 के लिए आपको कहीं नहीं जाना है, you have to remain here only. तो ये आपका B point हो गया positive 2 and 0. Then our C point is 5 and -2. 5 and positive 5 and -2 you will get here. This is your C point. Positive 5 and 2. Now join these points. You will join the points with scale. When you will join it, they will lie on the same line. So they are collinear. The given points are collinear. So you will write the answer on the lining page also, and here also collinear. And B part also you will draw the figure like this only, and the answer of B part is non-collinear. वो same line पे lie नहीं करेंगे तीनों points. So this is all your activity. So just do this activity properly, color the figure and submit it by Thursday, that is 23 July 2020. Now thank you. In the next module we will start new chapter, that is chapter number 12, Heron's formula. Thank you.